Hey everyone, Richard Wilson coming to you from Dallas. I wanted to record a video called Start High, Stay High. And while that might be the slogan of Snoop Dogg and others in the cannabis industry perhaps nowadays, it was really advice given to me by a trust and estate attorney. I have to give credit to Thomas Handler for this. We were having dinner maybe 14 years ago, and I said, how did you start working with family offices? How did you do so well, work with so many 100 million plus and $1 billion plus families? And I'll never forget his advice. He said that in the university he went to, he was in a fraternity, and the older fraternity alum taught him that if you want to work with high-end clients, you build your infrastructure, your mindset, where you live, how you operate, to really deliver a ton of value to those high-end clients. If you start being distracted by serving low-end clients, you're going to customize things to get really good and get a lot of practice at serving low-end clients. So I really took that to heart and built the Family Office Club with that in mind. We bought billionaires.com with that in mind. And what's interesting, being here in town, meeting with a $3 billion organization developing their direct investment program, meeting with another 100 million plus net worth family, is that it's refreshing for me and the family when I meet with someone of that caliber, because they see what we've built and they see the huge value in it. We sometimes work with people who run a platform for smaller private investors, where they are an angel or a smaller private investor, and we're able to add a lot of value to them and have a lot of fun working together. But sometimes those private investors don't see the value as much. So it's almost a sigh of relief and more fun when you get to engage with the exact type of investor you've built an organization to serve. So I just wanted to share that insight because Tom shared it with me a long time ago. And I hope that in something you're doing, if you can aim for one niche part of the market that's high-end, fun to work with, more profitable to work with, more in line with your background, your DNA, and your strengths and where you want to go in the future, that it will give you additional focus and really allow you to construct the architecture of your product offering, service offering, or investment platform to be targeting the right group of people from the start versus starting low and trying to work your way up the totem pole over time in terms of quality of clients. So hope that helps you. Start high, stay high. And no offense to anyone in the cannabis space, because I've got many friends in that space, but hope to see you at one of our live Family Office Club events in person soon. Thank you.